I'm going to be sharing with you a 1000 crore lesson on why soul still converts better than AI. It's what I call as a soul to sales system. You see, 1000 plus crores in student generated results is what I've helped, but the number is not the point. Behind the number are not just funnels, tools, ads, or webinars. Behind the number is trust. Because trust is not built by dumping content. Trust is built through conversations. The market is not short of information. The market is drowning in it actually. Today, we see anyone can generate almost anything in seconds. They can generate a post, a reel, a script, an email, a caption, a webinar outline, a sales page using AI within a few minutes. And most AI generated content has language, but it has no life. See, people can feel it when something is missing. They know it is polished, but it is hollow. It's intelligent, but it is not borrowed. It feels very structured, but it is kind of soulless. It's visible, but it's forgettable. Just like when you're eating food and if there's no salt, you just know that there's no salt. And that's what content is becoming today. It's becoming like food without salt. There's absolutely no soul in it. You know what? When they do not feel you, they do not trust you. When they do not trust you, they do not buy from you. See, AI can increase your speed. It cannot replace your depth. So if you actually think about it, speed, is actually making things faster for you. But depth, only your life can create the philosophy. And when it comes to trust, people buy only when they feel you. See, AI can polish your thoughts. It cannot live your life. It cannot create your philosophy. It cannot carry your conviction. It cannot replace your standards. It cannot feel your audience for you. And the biggest conversion lie is, if I automate everything, sales will happen. And that's the biggest lie. Because automation without depth will only create more noise. And this is the trap that many coaches and entrepreneurs are falling into right now. They're getting into the trap of more posts, more prompts, more funnels, more reminders, more automated everything. But where they need to go is they need to go from output to more interaction. That's the shift. They need to have more response from their audience, more reflection that they need to make their audience think about, build more trust and more movement, and basically create a movement. This is why many people will still create more content and get less conversions. They will keep posting, they will keep prompting, they'll keep generating, they'll keep automating, but nobody will buy. And that's the problem that's happening right now. The problem is not the algorithm, the problem is the absence of connection. No lived experience, no philosophy, no human energy, no conversation. Like whatever you're seeing me do over here, this is based on my experience. Yes, AI has helped me structure it, but I'm speaking from my heart to you. The conversion chain is very simple. Number one is content should create attention, conversation should create trust, and trust will create the conversion. And the real conversion system has many meaningful touch points. First, reels start the relationship. Emails deepen it. WhatsApp activates it. Webinars convert it. And community retains it. And when you get results for your students, it multiplies it. This is what I call as a soul to sale. Okay, soul to sale is not a funnel. It's a path of trust where each stage has a job. If you skip even one, the conversion will go weaker. So the first one is the soul part. Okay, then you go into signal, and then the conversation, then trust, and they come to the webinar, and then the conversion happens. And once they come inside your world, they get into your community. So let's talk about soul. This is your real differentiator, and this is the hard-earned truth. Before you create any content, ask yourself 4 questions. Number 1, is this coming from my lived experience? 2, is this connected to my philosophy? 3, is this something that I deeply believe? 4, is this something I have tested and transformed through as a person? If your answer is yes, only then it should go out. AI content has structure, perfect, but your story gives it scars. And it's the scars that people connect with. Use AI to sharpen your message, just like what I'm doing right now. But it's all of my scars and my lived experiences, what's coming in this presentation to you. So do not outsource your soul. Now let's come to signal. Your content should attract the right people, but it should also repel the wrong people. You don't want everybody to be in your system. The right person should feel 3 things. Yes, it gets me. I have walked it. It can guide me. So it gets me is more like your message enters their world. I have walked it is more like you're not teaching theory. And number 3 is can guide me, meaning that you can take them forward. Attention becomes interest when people feel understood. Now let's come to conversation. Conversion does not happen in waiting. Conversation is not only one-to-one calls. Conversations can happen in multiple dimensions, in WhatsApp groups, in Telegram groups, in email replies, in polls and forms and comments and lives, in webinars and challenges. If you see the way that I've built my community of 50,000 people, it's all through conversations and multiple touch points. The moment someone responds, the relationship actually changes because they are no longer watching you. They are interacting with your world. And most people use WhatsApp so badly that they turn their nurturing into some kind of a noise, just taking AI prompts and putting it in and just having crafting these very fully polished messages that actually don't work. Okay. A WhatsApp group should not feel like a railway announcement system. It should feel like a living room. A group should feel like a living room. Okay. Now, what is a living room? First is you got to set the context, make the room feel safe. Second is open a window where probably open it up for 1 hour, where ask one clear question and let people keep answering questions. Number three is possibly run a poll, collect real market data from them, asking them what do they really want. Then number four is send a real video, shoot it from your phone, keep it as raw as possible, let people feel you. Number five is then collect responses, maybe put in a Google form and ask them to share, what do they want to learn, what's the biggest challenge, what is keeping them stuck, and then based on that you come back and answer some of their patterns. So this is how you actually need to run a WhatsApp group. Real nurturing is listening, responding, guiding, and creating a movement. The group becomes powerful when people realize that they are not alone, and that group can only be powerful when you set the right context, when you have the right conversation that builds up the energy and that gives people the direction. That's what creates the belief. When context, conversation, energy, and direction are present, the group becomes a transformational space. Now let's talk about email depth, because this is one of my favorite channels, because WhatsApp can create immediacy, but email creates depth. And for this, segmentation is important. Email allows you to go deeper into the pain, philosophy, stories, insights, and direction. And what I've done is I've segmented my email list. So I have my leads. For them, I focus more on clarity, pain, and possibility. I have my customers, where I focus more on implementation and momentum. I have my diamond members, my premium customers, where I focus more on systems, standards, and scale. And my quantum members, more around leadership and leverage and playing the bigger game. So when you speak to people based on where they are, they feel understood. And conversions increase when communication becomes more relevant, not louder, but more relevant. And finally, the webinar engine. And this is what I'm known for. I've helped so many people through my webinar selling formula. A webinar is not just a pitch. A webinar, it is a conversion environment where there are three things. You got to educate, engage, and set expectations. So educate is where you give a new way to see the problem for the people. Second, you got to engage, make the room participate through comments and polls and everything else. And number three is most important, set the expectations and unsell the wrong fit. I love unselling. Before making the offer, set the expectations clearly and unsell. It protects the ecosystem because the quality of the buyer determines the quality of the community. When you unsell multiple times in a webinar, what it'll do is it will completely eliminate the poor fit buyer, the one who complains and delays and doubts and distracts and disappears. And you want to remove them from the system. Rather, you want to attract people who are the right fit buyer, who shows up, who implements, who get results, inspires others, and becomes the proof. And this is why I've been able to help more than hundreds of people generate more than 1,000 crores in revenue. Okay, so unselling is not a weakness. Even if you get 5% or 3% conversion lesser, it is better to have those kind of customers in your ecosystem because they will not be time wasters. Unselling is a protection, and quality conversions are built by an ecosystem. And this is the formula. When you lead with soulful content like what I'm creating right now, and turn that into meaningful conversations on multi-channel platforms with a clear webinar expectations, you'll have super duper quality conversions. Not random, but quality conversions. The system compounds when every channel has a job. Content is for awareness. WhatsApp is for interaction. Email is for depth. Webinars are for decisions. Community is for transformation. And you get results for your students, that becomes the proof. And all of these contribute to the trust engine. So I want to leave you with this. Use AI, but don't become AI. Use AI for execution, but it's not your identity. Edit, structure, analyze, organize, speed up. Because in the age of AI, your real advantage is your humanity, your lived experience, your stories, your philosophy, your standards, your ability to listen, the courage to tell the truth. And conversion is not manipulation. It is not pressure. It is not some clever wording that you use. It's not about closing people. It is trust that is built over time. People buy when they repeatedly feel 5 things: that you understand them, that you can guide them, that you have the depth, that you care for them, and that you have standards. Because the future will not belong to the people who create most content. It will belong to the people who create the deepest connection. So I want to leave you with this. I want to invite you to the Supercoach certification. Stop thinking like a content creator. Start building like a real expert coach or a community leader. You can go to this link, sales.co/supercoach. and start building the ecosystem where your story, your message, your offer, your community, your webinar, and technology create trust together. I would love to hear your comments below, and I'm going to be reading all of them. All the best.